Ian Paulo Katapang. So, ang perspective ko pong napili is about philosopher. Discuss how philosophers define and understand the self. So, here are some real-life examples to help understand different philosophical views on the self. So, si Descartes po is ang pagkakaintindi niya po sa about self is the self as a thinking mind. Example, imagine waking up from a dream and wondering if everything around you is real. The fact that you are thinking about this proves that you exist. Your ability to think and be aware of yourself is what makes you, you. So, si Hume naman po, ang paniniwala niya sa about self is yung no permanent self, just changing experiences. Example is think about how you were 5 years ago. Your thoughts like and personality have changed a lot. You would say there is no real. You just different experiences that make up your identity over time. So, ang paniniwala naman po ni Kant about sa self is the self organizes experiences. Example is imagine your life as a puzzle. Each experiences is a puzzle piece. Can't believe that there must be something, your mind, that puts the pieces together so you see yourself as one person, not just random memories. So, ang paniniwala naman po ni Sartre is, we create ourselves through choices. Example is, if you were once shy but decided to become more outgoing by joining a club, Sartre would say you are shaping your identity through your actions. You are not born with a set personality, you create it. Modern views, the self is shaped by a brain and society. Example is a child raised in a strict home may develop different beliefs and behavior than one raised in a more relaxed environment. Our self is shaped by both our brain and the world around us. So ito po yung summary ng philosophers. Philosophers have different ideas about what the self is. So yung kay Descartes nga po is said that self is the mind. If we can think, we exist. I think therefore I am. Hume believe there's no permanent self, just a mix of changing thoughts and feelings. So yung kay Kant naman po is argue that even through our thoughts change, something inside us keeps them organized. Sartre, thoughts we create our own identity through the choices we make. So modern view, many believes the self comes from both our brain and our experiences. That's all po.